Hi kids, in this session you are going to learn about land pollution. The land pollution, it is defined as the degradation of land because of the disposal of waste on the land. Any substance, we may say as a solid, liquid or gaseous, that is discharged, emitted or deposited in the environment in a way that it alters the environment causes land pollution. Types of land pollution. Solid waste. It includes all kinds of rubbish like paper, plastic containers, bottles, cans, food, used cars, broken electronic goods, municipal waste and hospital waste. Pesticides and fertilizers. Many farming activities engage in the application of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides for a higher crop yield which pollute land. Deforestation. Humans depend on trees for many things, including life. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen, which is needed for human beings' life. Forest helps replenish soils and help retain nutrition being washed away. Deforestation is led to land pollution. What are the causes of land pollution? Deforestation and soil erosion are the main cause. Deforestation carried out to create dry lands, which is one of the major concern. Land that is once converted into a dry or barren land can never be made fertile again, whatever the magnitude of measures to convert it. Agricultural activities. With growing human and pet animal population, demand for food has increased. Farmers often use highly toxic fertilizers and pesticides to get rid of insects, fungi and bacteria from their crops. The overuse of these chemicals results in contamination and poisoning of land. Mining activities. During extraction and mining activities, several land spaces are created beneath the surface. Through the mining activities, not only the land polluting, there will be the noise pollution, there will be the water pollution and also the air pollution. Landfills. Each household produces tons of garbage each year due to changing economic lifestyle of the people. Garbage like plastic, paper, cloth, wood and hospital waste get accumulated. That also during the quarantine time, everybody we are using the mask, isn't it? As it is they are throwing into the land. That also will cause the land pollution. Items that cannot be recycled become a part of the landfills that cause land pollution. Industrialization. Due to increasing consumerism, more industries were developed, which led to deforestation. Research and development paved the way for modern fertilizers and chemicals that were highly toxic and led to soil contamination. Construction activities. Due to urbanization, large amount of construction activities are taking place. This has resulted in large waste articles like wood, metal, bricks, plastics. These are dumped at the outskirts of urban areas that led to land pollution. Nuclear waste. The leftover radioactivity materials, harmful and toxic chemicals affect human health. They are dumped beneath the earth to avoid any casualty. Effects of the land pollution. Soil pollution is another form of land pollution where the upper layer of the soil is damaged, which is caused by the overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and it leads to the loss of fertile land. Pesticides kill not only pests as well as the human beings too. Health impact. The land when contaminated with toxic chemicals and pesticides, which it leads to the problem of skin cancer and human respiratory system. The toxic chemicals can reach our body through foods and vegetables. Cause for land pollution causes the air pollution too. Landfills and waste dumping lead to air pollution. The abnormal toxic substances spread in the atmosphere transmit respiratory diseases among the mosses. Effect on wildlife. The animal kingdom has suffered mostly in the past decades. They face a serious threat with regards to loss of habitat and natural environment by deforestation. The constant human activity on land is leaving it polluted, forcing the species to move further away. Sometimes several species are pushed to the verge of extinction or disappear due to no conducive environment. Remedial measures to control land pollution. Making people aware about the concept of reduce, recycle, and reuse. Buying biodegradable products. Minimizing the usage of pesticides. Shifting cultivation should be used. Disposing unwanted garbage properly, either by burning or by burying under the soil. Minimizing the usage of plastics. Thank you, kids.